I first heard about these two cubes from a YouTube comment. So it was on my Gans 249 review, and then someone said, hey, you should check out the V2. And at the time, I honestly thought he was joking. The last one literally came out like a few weeks ago, but then I looked at Speakeasy Shop, and hey, look at that, it's a thing. So here's my unboxing of the Gans 249 V2 normal version and magnetic version. So I actually don't know which one is which. Let's just open this one up first. Okay, so the packaging is kind of damaged, but you can see here they have a little tensioning tool. Then we have the cube itself and this little pamphlet. Okay, so here is the puzzle. You can see it has some plastic wrapping. Let's open this up. Now the difference between this version and the V1 is, well, first off, just the look. And also has that honeycomb design just like the SM. So that should make it a little bit faster. Now let's do some first turns. Okay, so this is definitely the magnetic version. Okay, so that's pretty nice. It feels a lot like the SM did out of the box, just a bit slower, but the overall feel is really similar. The tiles seem a lot grippier this time, which is great. One problem I had with the original one was that the tiles had really little friction, but I mean, it feels good. Like, I could get a pretty decent grip on it, and I don't know, I mean, the turning seems pretty nice. Before we get our final thoughts though, we should probably look at the non-magnetic version and see how it compares to the magnetic one. So just destroy this box. I don't really care. Same things as the last one, and here it is. So visually, it's the exact same. Like, there's no difference. Let's do some first turns. Alright, not bad. You know, right now comparing the magnetic version versus the non-magnetic version, I mean, performance is pretty similar. Now, differences. So this cube has a more bumpy feel. I think you can kind of hear it. It's really bumpy when you turn it. It's also slower, more controllable, and more stable. This one likes to move around a little bit more. It's a lot more smooth though. It's faster, more fluid, but less stable. But honestly, I kind of feel like I would get the same times on both of these. So if you're going to be buying one of these, just go with the non-magnetic version because you're probably going to get the same times. Now these cubes compared to the version 1, I would say it's an upgrade, but it still doesn't make it a great 2x2. Like other 2x2s, like for example the Kung Fu 2x2, it's $6 and I'm pretty sure it's better than this cube. Although these two cubes are definitely really cool. Like, it's completely tiled and it just kind of feels like the RSC cube, just like the old one, just that the performance is a little bit better. So that's all for this video on the Gans 249 V2. It's cool, but I'm probably not going to use these two cubes after like a week. So yeah, that's all for this unboxing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.